Greetings, my friends. Welcome back to another video. We're back once again trading, and I'm bringing you another strategy that can help you make money, because that's what it's all about. This is what we focused on in my trading group, to make sure that you have access to the right systems, to the right tools to help you generate profit every single day consistently. And today I have something for you as well. It's a strategy. And also, if you were not aware, we are streaming on TikTok now. We did a stream yesterday. I traded without any indicators. We made $4,000 of profit live, and we're going to be doing that more frequently, so make sure to tune in. But also, if you want access to my trading group, make sure to send me a message on Telegram or click the link in the description below, and you will have access to it. So now let's delve into the market. Let me show you what I got for you today, and let's make some money as always. All right, so we are in the market. We have alligator with default settings. We have RSI, simple setup, and let me show you what you can do with it. Let's find a market we can trade in with a nice situation, and we are going to be looking to make some solid profit on one of these trades. So first thing that you need to be paying attention to is for the cross or the jaws, or over the other two lines. You of course have right here jaws, teeth, and lips. You're looking for either lips crossing downwards, or you're looking for the jaws moving upwards through the other lines. And this is how you are going to be making money. It's super simple. You're just looking for the cross. You're looking for the asset to be in overbought or oversold condition. RSI is going to help you with that. This is exactly why you have it on your chart. So let's look for it, and let's try to find that chart that's going to yield us some profit. As usual, this strategy is extremely easy, so all you need to do is simply go in, find the market that has everything lined up for you, and enter your trade. And here is actually would be a nice trade. However, we do see that RSI is exiting oversold condition already, so this is not actually that good for us. So let's continue looking. Here I'm looking at a very nice situation that we potentially can make money on. As you can see, we have all of the lines starting to look downwards, and we have RSI in overbought condition just exiting it. So this is a signal for me to place a bigger trade right here, and I'm expecting the continuation of a downtrend after the reversal has started right here. So this should be a really nice entry, and I'm actually going to put a little bit more here, another 2,000, as I'm pretty confident that the price will continue moving downwards. So this is what we're looking for. This is what we want to make profit with. You can see the jaws haven't crossed yet, but it is going to happen. It's just a matter of time, but we enter here a little bit preemptively because everything else kind of already played out for us. So this should be free money right here, and you can do this almost on any chart. Just make sure that you find a situation that really plays out for you, that you have everything aligned, you have all of the lines of the alligator moving kind of in a downwards direction if you're taking a sell position, and crossing one of the lines is crossing. For example, here we had the lips crossing the other two, and just like that we were able to secure a nice and a solid win, and this already yields us over $3,000 of profit. Very simple, and it took me a little bit to find this chart, but we can continue going, and we have a sort of identical situation here. So I'm gonna place 1,000, wait for a little bit of pushback, which is going to happen, and that's where I'm going to double down on my trade right there. So we did actually miss one trade a little bit here because the price got pushed back down. So we still will be able to secure a nice win on this one. I'm pretty confident because it's the identical situation as we had on a previous chart. The RSI is exiting overbought condition. It briefly touched it. We have both of three of the lines looking downwards, and right now what I have here is actually price retracing all the way back up. So I'm gonna double up here and place $6,000 on this trade to offset the potential loss that we might have on the bottom three. However, I know that the price will continue moving downwards, and this is gonna be a big win for us when we secure all of these trades. And even if we lose the three ones at the bottom, we still have a big amount of trades coming in higher, and this is gonna yield us an absolutely massive profit. And there you go, we get one back. Actually, we get, I think we got two back here, but that's fine. We still have 6 pending, and this is definitely gonna be going into our pocket, so this is lovely. And we entering a little bit preemptively. Sometimes you really want to wait for that cross to happen on the jaws or the lips, and after that you want to place your trades. However, I do have a little bit more expertise, so I can enter these trades a little bit earlier. So here we are closing in. Ooh, this is not good. We actually get a full return on all of our trades. All right, well, that was unfortunate. And as now the price starts dropping down, I can place a little bit more here, as I still believe that this chart will yield us some profit. So I'm going to place 3,000 on this one here and just let it run. We need to see that move in a downwards direction. I'm expecting a big red candle to happen any second now. So let's observe this. Let's see if we can get it. All right, we need that solid candle to finally happen. We've been waiting for it. I don't want another return, but it seems we do get one return at least. And now we are just waiting to secure the other two. This is going to be going in. And we could have gotten the other two as well. It's just unfortunate a little bit. And there is the solid candle that I've been waiting for. But it is what it is. This is real market. Sometimes it's a bit tougher here to secure your profit. But we got it regardless. And we're making some money. And we are already in on a pretty big profitable session. We got a lot of returns here on this trade on 2 losses. So we do have to work a little bit more to make sure we get our money. And here is what a nice entry we are able to catch. This will yield us the profit that we've been looking for. I am expecting a strong move in a downwards direction. The only concern that I have is that the movement on this candle is pretty slow. So this might be a really a slow burner reversal, but we already have cross on the lips here moving downwards. We have RSI exiting overbought condition. So we have to bet up on this one and try to make as much profit as possible. I'm only going to commit with 3,000 here and observe for a little bit to see how it goes. But for now, you can see there is a little bit of movement here. All we need is a little candle here, a little red candle to secure at least a couple of trades. So let's observe this. We are finalizing, 5 seconds left. You can see the candle starts to move downwards. Do we get it? We get the one here, and we have 2 more pending, which should be also claimable. Unfortunately, we'll lose that one, but we still have the top one, and that means we're still coming out on top with profit, and that's what it all boils down to. This is why I separate and space out my trades. And here we are already making $4,000, and let's continue. Let's do final trade on one of the charts. And here is actually exactly that situation. So I'm gonna place 2,000 on this one. Same process. We have exit from the overbought condition, strong rejection candle right here. We have the cross on the alligator. The lips are crossing in a downwards direction. So this is easy, free money for us, $1,800 just like that. And this is gonna put us at $6,000 of profit. And we've had some losses, we've had some wins, but this strategy is very simple. And once you trade with it, get accustomed to the movement, to understanding when to place your trades, you can have a really solid trading sessions with this one. All you need to look for is for how the candles move. You need to look at how your alligator is acting. You need to look at RSI and where is your asset that you're trading on. If it's in overbought, if it just exited the overbought or oversold condition. And after that, apply it on top of your alligator positioning. Place it and get your money. Boom, there it is. We are at $40K. We started at 34 and we made $6,000 of profit. So guys, once again, if you want to learn how to trade, make sure to tune into my live trading sessions on TikTok. I'm trading, showing you, talking to my students as well. You can ask some questions and we're going to break down different strategies. We're going to use them live. We're going to trade with different tools. We're going to trade with EvoTrade algorithm. We're going to trade with quant trading robot. So tune in. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Links are in the description below to my trading group if you want to join. I have access to trading tools, tutorials, trades, breakdowns, and much more. I appreciate you. And of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.